Hey y'all, I'm gonna try not to make this intro like really long. I just want to go ahead and get started. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be making lip gloss today. My best seller, the best selling lip gloss on my website is my clear gloss, and the name is Simplicity. It's currently sold out right now, and I need to get it back on the website. I'm going to show you guys how I make my lip gloss. It's really simple. Yeah, it's not much to it. I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. And yeah, if you guys would like to purchase any products, I will have the link in the description box, so you can wait until the end of the video and there will be a picture, most likely of my lip glosses. Click on that picture and it will take you to my website. Make sure you use the code YTFAM at checkout for 15% off your order. Yeah, and make sure you follow my business Instagram to keep up with updates when I do sales and giveaways or whatever. All right, y'all, so this process is like really simple. It's not much to it. Okay, so I have my container right here, and of course, you know, I have my gloves. Okay, so I got my gloves on. I have my syringe. This is new. I ordered these the other day. I have my pipettes. I need to order some more of these. I have my vitamin E oil and my gloss base. Before I had started this video, I made sure I washed out my tubes, so that's why they look like that. They're nice and clean. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gloss base and put it into my container. So I'm only gonna be making 20 glosses today, 20 clear glosses. So this is how the gloss looks. It looks so pretty. Okay, so this is actually a new formula. So this time I'm gonna be adding vitamin E oil into my gloss just to give it that extra hydration, moisture. So I'm gonna put a few drops of this into the gloss. Now all I'm gonna do is mix it. Okay, so now it's time to start filling the tubes. All right, y'all, so this is really simple. Boom, just like that. Y'all, this can get very messy.
Knockout. You win. inspired. Fight.
So I have 5 done so far.
Knockout. You win. Flaky inspired. Fight. Knockout. You win. Flaky inspired. Fight.
All right, so here's my last one. Whew, y'all, my hand hurt. All right, y'all, so I got a new set of gloves. So now it's time to put these on. And then after that, I have to put the tops on.
Flaky inspired. Fight.
Okay, so I thought I was filming, but obviously I wasn't. So I went ahead and, as you can see, I put the tops on, and then I put these in some water and dish detergent and got them soaked. They're still a little sticky, so I'll probably take my wipes and wipe them off, because those definitely get them nice and not sticky. So they're still sticky right now, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys my labels. So these are my current labels for my squeeze tube glosses. I don't have that many left. I'm actually gonna order from someone else, because the girl I ordered from, I like her work and everything, but I know that I can get way more for the price that I paid. So I only got like 30 or 35, something like that, but I paid a lot for these labels. And I know that this other girl, she makes labels, and I know I can get way more for that same price. So yeah, but these are really pretty. She did a great job. Make sure y'all go ahead and purchase y'all's clear gloss. I already put them on the website. Y'all can go ahead and shop. My clear glosses are $3.33, so they're very affordable. My glosses are handmade, vegan, cruelty free. So make sure y'all shop. This is it. This is Simplicity. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.